Look at that. I still like a little bit of coolant, but I figured, stop trying to make it perfect. And it works. And I leak oil and a little bit of coolant, but I don't think it's enough to really matter. But come on. There we go. Let's get that new one. Should probably put the plug back in though. That's cold. That's very cold. Definitely taking the Subaru to Grand Rapids because this is just going to Walmart from taking the highway. It's a lot of oil, and that's not even from a minute of sitting here, and it's still dripping. And I suspect from back there somewhere.